Hey class, it's final exam time. I wanted to spend just a couple minutes with you to review some of the material to help you prepare and specifically give you some hints on the exam problem. So let's jump right on in. Here we have the Charmax Corporation, and they have a marketing department and operations department. And we have some copying charges that we're going to allocate between those two departments. So in question A, they asked what the budgeted copying costs are for the marketing department. So here you have to look at both the fixed costs and the variable costs. And with the fixed costs, we need to take a percentage of that. So what you're going to want to do is take a look at the percentage of total copies that marketing uses, apply that percentage to the fixed costs that end on the variable costs. Now, in part B, they switch it up, and now you're asked about how much is allocated. And we're going to assume, the question tells us to assume that the allocated amounts goes by actual as opposed to budgeted amount of copies. So here you have two steps. You want to calculate the budgeted per copy charge. Then once you have that, multiply that by actual usage. Then finally, we have part C, which asks for the budget amount of facility copying charges for the operations department under the dual rate method. And here's a hint. Your methodology required to solve this problem is a whole lot like what you used in part A. Good luck on the exam.